May kape. May kape. Kung kasi ko sa ito, sama kay Luwa siya.
Mga mga to, magsaray sa mga ginawa sa natulog na akin.
Di na, nung siya
Hello, Eric.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, you're here. Okay, for a while, I will chat it here. Okay, this one. Okay, for a while, Eric. This one. For a while, Eric.
Okay.
4 p.m. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. How are you, Eric? Yeah.
I'm good.
So I'm done chatting in the chat in the Skype. I was chatting Mr. Wang because Eric was not able to attend the class today. Oh, you're late today. How are you? Why are you late?
Because like to talking to my sister for my countryside.
Ah, about your countryside. So you forgot the time.
Yes.
Okay. So are you ready now to have our class?
Yes, I also don't can hear anything because make my own small room in my wardrobe.
Ah, okay. That's why you cannot hear any call. Like because I call you in the Skype. But now it's okay because we can start our lesson. Today, let's talk about why should we take care of the earth? Is it important to take care of the earth? Eric,
Yes.
why is it important to take care of the earth?
Because the earth is where we live.
Mm-hmm. And what will happen if we will not take care?
It will explode.
Oh, it will explode and what will happen to many people?
Die and even extinct.
Yes, that's correct. And you know what? Because in the earth can provide the food that we have, right? Oh,
Yes.
look. Yes, like the trees, the plants, the oxygen for us to live. So it is very important to take care of the earth.
Yes.
Now, today, Eric, I have here a video to watch. Let's watch the video. Hmm? You see the picture?
Yes, but it's lagging.
It's lagging?
Yes.
Ah, because of the video. So just look at the picture. We shouldn't litter. Look at the trashes. Mhm. We should reduce, reuse, and recycle. Look where to put the trashes. And what are the things that we need to still use? Okay, we can make them rugs to reuse the thing. Okay, so that is the picture. Oh, so do you like where do you think this is? This place? What place is
In the
this?
forest.
It's in the forest. What can people do here? What do you think the people can do here?
Take a bath. Bath.
Take a bath. Yes, we can take a bath in a very clean place. So, do you like to go outside? Oh, what happened to you, Eric? Why?
There's so many ants.
Why there are many ants there in your table?
I don't know.
Did you eat there?
No. This is my study table.
Mhm. Okay, so as you can see here in the picture, do you like to go outside, Eric?
Yes,
Mm.
but not a kind of smoky place.
Oh, so is the air in your place now clean?
No,
Are you living in the town or you're living in the city?
I live in the city.
You are living in the city. How can you how can you tell and describe about the air in your city?
It's very unclean and it's smoky.
Oh no, so it's not healthy to go outside always, right? Or
Yes, that's
maybe
right.
we have to wear mask. Okay, so now, Eric, I have here some pictures about what kind of these pictures are the pictures that you can see in the environment, right? In the surroundings. These pictures. Example number 1. Okay. I will open the first one. What is this?
Resource.
Resources.
Resources.
Do you know what is resources mean?
Yes,
Mhm. What is resources?
it's a kind of like wood, trees, leaf,
Mhm.
apples, and something on in other thing.
Again. It's about
Wood, water, some material like iron, diamond, gold, and other.
very good. So the resources are anything that we can use to get something, like for us to live. Something that we can use for us to live, like the water, the wood, correct? And also for us to get money, to have food, we have to have resources. It's very important. It's very important, Eric, right?
Yes,
Okay, so the first one is, what is the second picture?
it's
The
wood.
wood. Okay, is wood important to us?
Yes,
What is the use of the wood to us, Eric?
to build house, to make
Oh,
fire, to use in fireplace, and to make some stick for other things.
very good. The wood is used to build a house, to build a stick, or we can use the wood to make fire, right? If you cook.
Yes,
Very good. So, do you think the wood is very useful?
Yes.
It's very useful to our lives. Next picture is, okay, we have wood. And what is this?
Landfill.
What happened to the land here? What
It's
does
a trash.
landfill mean?
The land was full of trash.
Yes. Is this good?
Hmm?
Is this good? Is this correct? Is this correct? To have to put the trashes here?
No.
Okay, do you know a landfill? It is a place where we take the trash. It is the place where we bury them there. But you know what? There are some places that we should put them in the right place, like where to dispose this kind of garbage. How to dispose the garbage, Eric? How?
To recycle it.
Recycle, of course. We have to separate the trashes. How to separate the trashes? In your school, how do you separate the trashes in your school, in your classroom?
Yes, put everything in a trash can.
You put everything in the trash can? Do you separate
Yes.
the biodegradable, all the bottles, you separate it, and non-biodegradable?
No.
You do not?
No.
Okay, so we should separate, I'm sorry, the biodegradable trashes. The biodegradable trashes are like, for example, the cartoons, the papers, we can separate them. Non-biodegradable are those things like bottles, plastics, we can separate them for us to reuse, to recycle those things. Okay. Next picture, Eric, is, okay, for a while. What's this?
Trash.
Oh, we forgot this. What's this?
Land.
A beautiful land. Where can we find a beautiful and a very big place? Can you find this in the city?
Yes, in my countryside.
In the countryside, you can see this. It's a very big land. How's the air in the countryside, Eric?
In when I was young, it's very, very, very clean, but now it's smoky and very awful.
Yes. Huh? Is it smoky today, even in the countryside?
Yes, in Vietnam, in the countryside, even factory builds up.
Oh no, that's not good. Okay, that is too much for our ecosystem. But you know what? Maybe not all the countryside looks like that, right? Like
Yes.
maybe some of the countryside has still a fresh air, has a beautiful place, many trees, and we can smell good air there. Okay. Next is, this is, oh no, trashes. Trashes everywhere. Trashes everywhere. Okay. Have you tried to volunteer in the community, Eric, to pick up the trashes? Have you tried to clean the community, Eric, or school?
No.
No, you haven't tried to pick up the trashes?
But I try to avoid the toilet is stinky.
So,
I'm every time when I go into the toilet, I smell very stinky.
so
But
what will you do? But now?
so I just stand at the break time. I just stand next to the toilet and guard someone don't flush the toilet and I will catch them.
Oh, you're gonna catch them for those who will not flush the toilet?
Yes.
What will you do?
I will call my team out and punish him.
Oh no! How do you punish that kid?
I told him to flush every toilet in three floor.
Oh. But that punishment is good for because you are teaching him to do good next time. Mm.
And the next time, every time I go in the toilet, he don't forget to flush the toilet anymore.
Wow, that's correct. Okay, so good thing that he did not cry when you punish him. He did not cry?
Yes?
He did not get angry at you?
No.
No, okay.
No?
Oh, this one, Eric, look at the picture. What is this?
It's smoke.
A smoke. What do you think will happen if it continues every day in our country, in the place?
We will die.
We will die. Is it good? Is it good to our environment?
No.
No, this is not good in our environment because it can destroy to ozone layer. The ozone layer that protects us from the sun, from the hotness of the sun. That's why we should minimize the smoke. Oh, this one. We would like to see this one every day. What's this?
Sunlight.
Sunlight. They say, Eric, that if you see sunlight every morning, there's always hope for every day. Okay? There's always a hope to change and a hope to do better. Better.
But teacher,
Mm.
teacher. Now some scientists invent the digital sunlight. In the evening, we just hold it up and put it on the rooftop and turn it on. Now we have our own sunlight in the evening.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, I think that's solar.
No. We will get our own sunlight by push a button and we will have our own sunlight.
Oh, what's that looks like?
It's a small device that put on roof of some house, but it's very expensive. When you just push one button and it morning to us, but not morning to each other.
Is that a solar? This one. Do you know solar? Solar, what do you call that one? Yang? Solar. Is it a solar panel, Eric? Like this.
I
will
know
show
it's
you.
already, but
This one? This?
no, my house doesn't gonna have that.
Oh, what's the name of that one? Teacher Rose will search it.
The giant flashlight.
Ah, okay. So I will search it here, the giant flashlight in Vietnam. Is it correct?
Yes.
Like this?
Yes. No, it not that because it don't sell on the earth that in the city yet. We
Oh.
invented this, but we don't sell it yet. So it
Ah. You do not sail it yet. It's just a newly invented
in
product
Vietnam
in Vietnam. Do you have it
by
in
a
your house?
teenager.
Do you have it in your house?
No, because it need a lot of energy to use that, or we could buy a solar panel and it will charge it by itself, and we just turn it on and bling, a whole city light up.
Like the whole city?
Yes,
Even
in
if it's
morning.
in morning. Why do you need that one in morning where there is sun above?
No, if we have charged it in the sun at the morning, in the evening we can turn it on and light up the whole city like a sun.
It will light up, but is it hot? Do you feel warm or not?
Yes, it's warm a bit.
Oh, but just a bit, not too hot.
Just like a sunlight.
Oh, but it feels hot because sunlight it's very hot during daytime.
Có ba cái hộp nhỏ nữa.
Much
If
better
you want,
Mấy ba cái hộp nhỏ.
if you want, we can turn it on, or we can use it on the farm.
Mm, okay, you can use that one on the farm?
The farm.
Yeah. Like if you want to work at night, it's more like it's daytime.
Yes, we turn night into daytime.
Yes, I think that's also a good idea. Because of the technology today, maybe many scientists can do that because they're very intelligent. They're so smart to make new inventions. Next. This one. What is this? The next picture is
Reduce.
reduce. What will you do?
We turn some plastic or some trash into new thing and use it.
Correct. Okay, to reduce things. Next is if you will not use things, gonna have?
Reuse.
Yes, you will reuse it. Okay, so now how about can you write here? You think about the words, the things that people can do, and the things that people can make, and the things that people cannot make. Now, Teacher Rose will write, and you just have to tell me. Okay, for a while.
Thing people can do.
Mhm. 1 and 2.
It's number one. Things people can do is we can reduce trash. Number two, we can reuse it.
Very good. How about the things that people can make?
Number two, it's trash.
Trash. Number 3.
Smoke.
Above. Smoke. Is it smoke that people can make?
Yes.
How about things that people cannot make?
Sunlight.
Sunlight. What else?
Land.
Land. Yes. And
Resources.
resources. Correct. Next.
Wood.
Wood. Yes. Because we have the creator.
But I think wood some kind of sunlight people can make that too.
Maybe nowadays.
And land people can make it too.
Oh, maybe today, but before, but in a whole time, we have creator. It's someone who made all the things in earth, right? Okay, so
Yes.
we will continue our lesson, Eric, next meeting. That would be on next Sunday. What are the words that we learned today, or what is our topic today?
Our topic today is
Mhm.
about protect our earth and why do we need to take care of earth?
Yes, that's correct. Okay, very good, Eric. Do you have any question?
No.
No. Okay, we will continue our lesson next meeting. So see you next week, Eric. Thank you for today's class.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, Eric. Have a nice day.
Have a nice night, teacher.
Good night.
Bye bye.